What's going on, guys? 4.0 Cav here. As you guys know, I have a career in diesel technology and automotive, and I have a joy for it. And one day I want to be my own boss by opening up my own shop. So basically it all starts with working for somebody else, right? Well, this is my work truck. It's a 3rd Gen Explorer. Yeah, I love Explorers. That doesn't mean I have to take care of it. It's just the company vehicle, you treat it like it's yours. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I always do oil changes. I always check the belts, check the brakes, check everything. You know, like everything I do on my car, make sure it's steady, because it is your source of income. Well, I'm here at a self-car wash, and you guys are gonna go for a ride with me, because I've never been inside of a car wash before. This is the first time ever. I'm too lazy to wash the thing. I'm too busy, so I can't. So yeah, if you guys are working for somebody else, might as well respect it like it's yours. It's earning you money. It's keeping you warm. This is the car wash at JFK, and what do you call it? You gotta punch in over there, and then you go for a ride. And you guys can go for a ride with me. So let me punch in. Yes, I have a tire gauge light on. That's a slow leak. I know. What's the ironicness of this? It's driving me. I'm in neutral. This is driving me. Woo! This is so badass, bro. Holy crap. Whoa. I can't see anything. This is a bit sketchy, guys. What? Whoa. What the? I don't like this. I do not like this. Yo! I'd rather wash my own car. No, this is sketchy, man. Hey, we're done. Thank gosh. Oh my goodness, that was scary. Whoa. That is cool. Okay. That was fast. What does that say? Do not drive. Wait for green light. I'm waiting for the green light. Oh, I saw green light. Is that green light? No. Oh. Sheesh. Damn, it's safe. Whoa. I ain't coming back here. Screw that. Yeah, man. I'm not coming back. This thing is sketchy, man. Yo. No lie, that was sketchy, yo. Let's see how this thing turned out, though. That was sketchy. I'm not going back in one of those, man. Yo. What the hell? Holy crap. Yo, I'm scared out of my life right now.
Work truck's all clean, except for some wet roads. Dirtied up my clean wash there, but I'm gonna say not bad for $8, huh? It was scary, but got it done. Didn't clean too well, but I can see out the windows again. It looks a lot more professional.
So yeah, guys, peace out.